consultant Hunt over here. This week we have more and more clients who are calling in about how to get into the recovery mode. In the past few weeks, it's basically panic mode, conservation mode. And this week, the message has shifted to, hey, now they know the state will be opening up pretty soon. So they're all thinking about recovery mode right now. And let me kind of go over my suggestion here is in the last few weeks, when our clients reach out to us, typically what we advise them is, of course, to reduce the spend on top of the funnel leads. These are more targeting people who aren't problem aware yet. And those are typically the ones we minimize, either pause or minimize the ad spend, because these are mainly meant for branding, build awareness. But that is from a sales journey point of view, that is the one that takes the most amount of time. So that is typically the ones we cut first, followed by targeting those who are problem aware. These are the folks who are going on Google, so they have intention of looking for their services already, but the conversion still, right, is lousy, right? So that is, even though these are much lower hanging fruit, they already know who they are, or they're looking for services. We still, right, this is the part we did minimize as well. Or we still kept it going with a little smaller ad budget. But now, as we're starting to get prepared for recovery mode, is now what we're suggesting is to work backwards, right? Slowly ramp up your advertising spend on search, right? Those who got their PPP fund already, they need leads as soon as possible. So many of them already increased their spend to pre-COVID-19 era, or some of them are slowly ramping back up. But again, knowing that conversion won't still be as good as before. And then, once that is done, if they need more, then we slowly open it up, those type of branding ads, getting their name out there to build awareness. So that's just kind of want to share with you, that's the progression we've been recommending our clients, is when COVID-19 hits, we basically cut out top of the funnel for conservation and maybe to cut their search budget, even though those are already targeting problemware. Now we're doing reverse, is to slowly increase their ad budget back up again on search, because those are those who are already problemware. And then if needed, maybe it's now or post COVID-19, then slowly turn up display ads and social media ads. So that's our process over here.